unfortunately we are having to do things slightly differently this year. Fantastic achievements, success stories, and celebrate your gifts and talents across our 4 pillars of excellence. Canterbury Academy is a truly unique and very special community, and we the staff are privileged and very proud of all of you. We'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the incredible NHS staff and key workers that are going above and beyond, day in, day out, to keep us safe and help us to move forward.
We are recording this on what would have been Summerfest and Sports Day. And loads of different staff that volunteered to get so cold as well. Every time I filled up another bucket of water, freezing. I was like, oh! Every time someone got a sponge and flung it at a teacher, I was like, oh God, I feel really bad for them because they were drenched.
I thought that was such a beautiful day.
The primary school students and the secondary school students all working together and planting across our academy. It was so nice to see them, just kind of the older ones supporting the little ones and the little ones learning from the other ones, and yeah, it was just everything we're about.
Oh, and I 100% won on the gingerbread house.
I think there was a tie.
I think there was some extra time had by some people as well.
I definitely spent more on that gingerbread house than it was ever worth.
And your own house. Working with our school council, because they came up with so many really creative ideas. They single-handedly took on the task of introducing recycling across the school, which was just a mammoth task, and they came in the holidays and just implemented that across the school, which was just amazing.
Absolutely love Christmas parties. I think they were definitely the highlight for me. Like the SLT supermarket sweep, best moment. Watching the kids really get into it, the staff, the competition. Never did I ever think I would be cutting out SLT faces and sticking them on cans.
My personal highlight is a very recent one, not just because my memory is not great, but it has been a huge task for me personally. These lockdown challenges. I started off by not enjoying this at all. I was really embarrassed. I didn't feel very comfortable, and knowing that it was something that I wasn't very good at didn't, bode very well with me. However, the more that I started to do them and the more that I was seeing the impact it was having on others and the children that were sending in their videos, it made me sort of more comfortable knowing that, okay, what I'm doing is really good and I'm actually helping these children have a focus throughout this really difficult period. This diversity that we have within our school, it should be shared.
You are introduced to different perspectives on things and different concepts and different ideas, and you can start to question your point of view and where you are coming from and the kind of the framework that you're seeing the world through.
Open up that conversation and allow everyone in the room to express themselves from their different backgrounds, their different lived experiences. It allows everyone to realise the humanity.
Hopefully making our community a really comfortable one where people are really happy to openly speak about things and share more and feel really comfortable in their own skins and understanding other people in their skin.
Sounds like a superhero film. Like, you can change the world. You really can.
And now the news you all tuned in for. Which house has won the Trevor Hayes Trophy? In 4th place, Marlow. In 3rd place, Tallis. And the winner of the Trevor Hayes House Trophy 2020 is Cowdrey.
Yeah, well, I thought, maybe over lockdown there might have been a resurgence and a sudden comeback.
Right, like Tallis were coming in.
Yeah.
Only for a little while. Short-lived.
Yeah.
That's 4th year running.
What?
It's a fix. It's a fix.
Are you
Absolutely.
serious? The 4th year running? I thought it was like 3rd. I could kind of deal with 3rd.
Last year was a hat trick, guys. This year, we're just taking the mick.
So it falls to me to round off this extraordinary year. Not one of us could have predicted back in September 2019 what this year would hold, but we're incredibly proud of all you've achieved. We'd like to thank our school staff for their adaptability and commitment throughout the year. They've responded tirelessly to the ever-changing situation. Your parents and families also deserve our sincerest thanks for their unfailing support of you during this unique time. Finally, and most importantly, of course, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for all your hard work, both in school and remotely, and for your amazing contributions to our school community. We wish you all a safe and happy summer and look forward to seeing you back with us in September.
Stay safe, everyone.
Have fun.
Have a good summer.
And I'll see you in September.